Hello, welcome. Let's look at this chemistry question for WAEC 2018, question number 9. Consider the following reaction equation. Br2 reacting with Ki, 2Ki to give 2KBr plus I2. In this very reaction, this is bromine. So when bromine reacts with this potassium iodide to form potassium bromide, and you have your iodine molecules. So what is bromine acting as? Consider the following reaction equation. Bromine is acting as A, an oxidizing agent, B, a reducing agent, C, an acid, D, a base. So what is the correct answer to this question, considering the reaction equation given? The right answer is A. Bromine is acting as an oxidizing agent. And why is it so? It is so because in this very reaction equation, where you have your bromine reacting with the potassium iodide to give potassium bromide plus the iodine molecule. In this very reaction, we can say that it will be very easy for us to find out the oxidation number of the bromine. So we can easily find out the oxidation number of the bromine. So if we are able to determine the oxidation number of the bromine, we will be able to know whether it is increasing or decreasing. So the bromine oxidation number actually reduced from 0 to -2 in 2KBr. We also noted here that it also gained or gains electron. And you know that that very substance that has its oxidation number reduced, or that very substance that gains electrons, is an oxidizing agent. So from definition, we can say that an oxidizing agent is one that gains electron. So the one that gains electrons and is reduced is the oxidizing agent. So that very reactant that gains electron is reduced is the oxidizing agent. We can also say that for the oxidizing agent, its oxidation number is also reduced. So its oxidation number is also reduced. So these definitions that I've just given can be found under redox reaction. If you check your textbook, under redox reaction, you'll be able to see this. So take note, this is actually Br2, which is this. So this Br2 from this equation, the oxidation number of bromine here is 0, and it is reduced. The oxidation number of bromine here is -2, so there is reduction in the oxidation number. You know that for a single for a molecule on its own, the oxidation number is normally 0. Now if you calculate the oxidation number of bromine in this very compound, you find out that it's -2. So when moving from this reactant side to the product side, you see a reduction between the oxidation of 0 to -2. So once a reactant is having its oxidation number reduced, you say that that reactant is an oxidizing agent, and that's why we say that bromine is an oxidizing agent here, because the oxidation number is reduced from 0 here to this very place where it is -2. So once there is reduction in oxidation number, we say that that very reactant undergoing reduction in oxidation number is an oxidizing agent, because it gives its oxidation to the other reactant. So you check the oxidation number of the very reactant that you're talking about in the reactant side first. So if the oxidation number is reduced from what it is in the reactant side to what it is in the product side, you say that it is an oxidizing agent. So another property of an oxidizing agent is that it gains electron. That very substance that gains electron during a reaction, we call it oxidizing agent. So you can find this topic under redox reaction in your textbook. So please hit on the subscribe button, subscribe to our channel, so that you can always get information and solutions like this. Please, if you have any question, drop it on the comment section of this video. Thank you. God bless.